Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm really excited because we're going to be taking this new 4S V2 Outcast out, seeing how fast it goes, and then we're going to see how durable it is by taking it on the big ramp and bashing and crashing it. Before I take a truck out, there's always a few things I do. First thing I usually do is reinforce the body. With this one, all I did was reinforce with Gorilla Tape down the center. This body's already pretty thick, and usually on the sides you don't have a lot of trouble with wear and tear and damage. I did make sure to double up where the front shock towers are and the rear shock towers are. These are already kind of worn through during shipping, so this is something you really want to protect. I've also seen that these front shock towers tend to punch through here. Pretty common on vehicles, but get that reinforced, that'll help the body last a lot longer. Looking under here, I took these IC5s off and went ahead and put my XT90 on. I also checked the front and rear differentials to make sure they had fluid in them. Of course, there's no center differential in this one, but I did check the slipper clutch to make sure it was adjusted properly. Seems to be adjusted well from the factory. I checked my shocks to make sure they're full of fluid. They were also good from the factory. Just gave the truck a general once-over to make sure nothing looked loose or broken. Normally, I would go through and vent these tires and seal the rims, but these are coming vented from the factory. This is a really good indication that venting the tires is a good idea. Most manufacturers are starting to go to pre-vented tires from the factory. If you don't have pre-vented tires, make sure you do that. I'll put a link in the description to a video I have about the best way to vent these tires. Make sure you get subscribed. We're going to be doing an upgrade video on this. We're going to be upgrading the motor mount, the differentials, and a few other bits and pieces. That should be a lot of fun. We've also got plenty of other news and reviews coming up that you're not going to want to miss. All right, let's get a battery in this thing and see how it does. All right, first time getting this thing out. Let's see how the steering is. It's okay. It'll be fine for now. We'll probably end up upgrading the steering servo pretty quickly though. First thing we want to do is get a speed run on this. Let's see how fast it is. Get her one more time. It's really stable. It doesn't want to flip over. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's take a look at what the speed we got. All right, 52, that's not bad. Let's see if it'll do a standing backflip. Yep, that's awesome. All right, let's get this thing out and bash it. Well guys, I am really impressed with this thing so far. I got a couple packs through this thing, what I would call medium hard bashing, and other than the body getting beat up in the front and back, which these always seem to do, it's holding up beautifully. That being said, I've got a lot of cool upgrades coming up for this thing. In the next video, we're gonna be upgrading the motor mount, front and rear differentials, chassis brace, cooling fans, and a bunch of other stuff. I've also got a Max 8 G2 6S system I could put in this thing, so let me know down in the comments if you wanna see this on 6S. So what do I think of this truck? So far, it's been great. Not having a center differential has taken a little bit of getting used to. When you accelerate without a center differential, it pops that front up really quickly, which of course makes steering more difficult because the front wheels are off the ground. But of course, that can be taken care of with throttle control. Beyond that, the truck is fast, it's very stable, Seems to be extremely durable. So far, no damage to it whatsoever. Got some scratches on the bottom, of course. A few nicks and dings here. This thing has been crashed very badly several times now, and everything is holding up great. I love these backflip LP tires like I have on every other vehicle. One thing I don't like that I'm also going to be changing are these battery strap clips. These battery strap clips are designed to allow you to organize your cables in here, but personally, I don't like them. They don't give you enough room to strap your battery well this way, and they don't really fit down this way, so I'll probably be replacing these battery straps. Another thing we're going to be upgrading in the next video is this servo and servo saver, because this servo, as expected, is pretty weak, and an upgraded servo is going to do this a lot of good. Other than that, I've been very happy with this truck so far. It's a ton of fun. If you're on the fence about getting one of these, I suggest trying it out. It's almost the same size as an 8th scale vehicle, but it's so much lighter. This thing is nimble and agile, and just a ton of fun. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified of future videos. Give me a like, throw any comments down in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.